chicken with cream spinach and cauliflower mash. Hey guys, Mark here. You know, I've been doing this keto diet now. It's hard during the holidays and stuff, but I'm still working on it, still trying to stay true to it. And I'm trying to learn some different things, so it's kind of trial and error. I've got the basics down on keto cooking, and that is no carbs, no sugar, okay? And what you have to do is you have to figure out different things to substitute to make things go well. Now, what I already cooked as a main dish, oh, look at this. Check this out. Look at that chicken. Peruvian chicken right there. Ooh, Nelly. And green sauce. Oh, that's going to be good. That green sauce is loaded with fat. And right here, I've taken the juice from the chicken and put some xanthian gum, I think I said that right, and added to it, and that's actually like a little gravy. And we'll put that over some cauliflower mash. Oh, but what else we're going to put with that is actually, I'm going to take some spinach and make it like my version of cream spinach, okay? I know I got to get ghee butter. I know I've got regular butter from the store and everything else, and it's not what you're supposed to use. I'm getting there. I'm new with this, so bear with me. But what I can say is, in the course of a month, I've dropped 20 pounds. And I've got more energy than I know what to do with. I'm waking up in the middle of the night, wide awake, and, you know, just ready to take on the day. Now, if you know me, let me turn the camera down here. If you know me, there's two things you can count on with Mark Holmes. And it's one, I love garlic. You got to have garlic in everything. Garlic is the spice of life. It is the source of everything. It's great for you. It's aromatic. I just love garlic. And the other thing, of course, is hot peppers. Actually, it's three things. It should be actually three. The other thing would be hot peppers and bacon. Gotta have bacon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some butter. I'm going to start melting that with some garlic. Get that nice and warm. And then I'm going to take my spinach and bit by bit add it to it and wilt the spinach up real good once this butter is completely melted. Now where's my tongue? Let me see those tongues. Okay. This thing is not real good. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, so now that that's beginning to melt, I'm going to put some cream cheese in there. We're going to let that melt. Then we're going to add some sour cream. We're going to add some heavy cream. And we're going to add some Parmesan cheese and let that all kind of saute together.
Confusing it with weird.
Your ladyship's humour is over the top, but it is a matter of some importance to me.
So I'm talking about you. I couldn't understand how it's this.
some room when my time's up.
We need this week's trash. I looked into it.
Good.
Okay, so all that really has to happen for this now is that it just gets all these flavors together. The cheese melts will help thicken it up a little bit. And you talk about fat. The keto diet, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You can use frozen spinach on here, which will save a step and stuff. But whenever you can get stuff fresh, it's a lot better fresh. But you'll see that big pan of spinach cooks down to not a whole lot. So fresh herbs, fresh spices if you can, and it doesn't take long. I mean, literally, excuse me, this whole video, of course, is just making this. And it's done. Let me take a taste of that. Salt and pepper to taste. Oh man, that's good. That's really good. So now we're gonna put that chicken, some green sauce, and some cauliflower mash. So check out the other videos and stuff. You'll find out how I did the chicken as well as the cauliflower mash. So let me get that stuff together and I'm gonna eat.
Want cheese if you want.